Hello everyone, James here from 360 Hub Digital. And in this video, I'm going to show you briefly how to install WordPress on your subdomain. Right? You have a group of company, or you have different aspects of your businesses, and you want to build different websites for those aspects of your business without buying extra domains. A classic example is with Google, for example. You can see for Google Ads, you see ads.google.com. Google has a lot of subdomains so that they can bring all their businesses under one domain. You can see for workspace email, you can see they have workspace.google. Same thing with Facebook. You can see business.facebook and all that and all that. A lot of big brands and a lot of companies do this now. So you can also do this so that you don't have to buy a lot of domains and worry about renewing this and renewing that. You can just bring all your businesses under one domain and build different aspects of your businesses under the subdomains. All right. So to get that done for your business, for your brand, what you want to do to install subdomain on install WordPress on your subdomain, what you want to do is log into your Cpanel, and then you want to come to subdomains and click on subdomains. Now, when you click on subdomains, you will see this screen here. So what you want to do is here you want to enter the name, the aspect of it. Let's say banking, or let's say training. Yeah, so it's an aspect of your business that does training, and you want to create a separate website for it, and it's going to be called training. Right, so what you want to do is just type training here on the subdomain. When you type training here and you click any place here, you will see a subdomain, training.your domain. In this case, I'm using this for the training, and you see training.certifyme.com. All right, so what you want to do is click on create and wait for the subdomain to be created. All right, so the subdomain is created already. Now you can see it's created, and you can see that the SSL certificate is being installed automatically. I'm using Namecheap hosting, and you can always get a free SSL certificate for the first year with Namecheap. And if you want that, you can click the link in the description below to get Namecheap hosting and free SSL certificate. That domains are shipped. Great deals with Namecheap. All right, now after you install this, mind you, this SSL certificate is being installed, so it's going to take a while. It's going to take 20 to 30 minutes for it to be fully enabled. All right, so what you want to do is come here and click on this icon to get back to your Cpanel home, and you want to click on Softaculous. You can see soft under exclusive from you always see, for any kind of Cpanel you're using, you're always going to see Softaculous, or you will just look for WordPress, but we are going to Softaculous. Now when you get to Softaculous, you will see WordPress here. So you want to see install and click on install. And when you click on install, under this section, you're going to see the domain choose installation URL. Then you're going to come here and select training.your domain. In your own case, you're going to select the subdomain that you just created. After selecting it, you leave the WordPress version. You can always choose a lower version, an older version, I mean to say, but it is best to leave it on the reset version, because the reset version comes with more security updates and will help your site stay more secure. Leave it here for if you want another extension for the URL, which is not normally the case, so you leave this as it is. All right. Now after that, you want to name your site, right? The site title, for example, I will just call it training. Depending on your business, you will call it you name it according to the keyword that you are trying to target for the site as well. So you could, or you just put the name of your business there, that aspect of business. Name it. Then you want to enter the description of the site. I'm going to leave this blank, right? So, but in this case, you can enter the description of your business. Then, for the admin username, you choose a username that you can easily remember, right? So you enter your username here. Then for the password, enter a strong password that you can remember too, or you don't have to remember it. Have somewhere you store them, secure place. All right. Now after entering your username and password, then your admin email. This is the email that notification will be sent to if anything is going on your site. So you can either use your personal email or use an email that's for this particular domain. All right, depending on what is comfortable with you, or the email that you can easily check. All right. So after entering your admin email, you you want to come to backup. I do my backup manually, so I will not select this. That's for me. You can always do your own to be automatic, but I do my backup manually. Right, so I back up all my sites to my own local folder. Right, so that's what I do. Now for you might want to do an automatic backup, or you want to use a plugin like Updraft to do backup later. Right, so me, I don't check this, but you can check this. Right now, for depend on the view that you are working with, you might not want to select classic editor. Depend on what you are comfortable with anyway. But I'm always going to select limit login attempt to help with hacking. All right, now then for advanced option, just leave this as it is. These are databases, so you can leave that as it is, or you can rename them if you want to. After that, you want to click install, but before that, let's say you want your installation information to go to a particular email address. You want to enter that right here in this section. Right, so after you've done with that, what you want to do is click on install. So you click on install. Now this will normally take like a minute for the installation to be complete, so we'll wait for that. All right, sometimes less than a minute, could be some seconds, and you can see installation is done. Now if we want to view our domain, when you click on this, you will see this message comes up because the SSL certificate is still being installed. So to view the site, what you want to do is come here, and you're supposed to click on exception, but let's reload this and see what happens. Now we still have this, and click on this, and let's wait for the SSL certificate to be fully installed. All right, while we wait for the SSL certificate to be installed, we can always look at how the site is on an incognito browser. So we come to new incognito window. We want to paste the URL there and click enter. Now you can click on advanced, and you can always see, you can see this on your browser as well. So you can see the site, that the site is live. The only thing that is remaining is the SSL certificate, and this will take some minutes, so we'll just wait for that. Then we'll look at the back end of our site and see how it is. All right, so let's wait for some minutes, then we can view the site working perfectly with the SSL certificates. All right, so you can see that the SSL certificate is now taking full effect. Right, if you want to go to the site back end, what you want to do, so because I did not save the password, so I will just go back to Subdomain and go to installations, and what I want to do is come to this subdomain that we just created and click on this to log in. As I'm logging into WordPress from the Cpanel, right, because I did not save the login details, and I can always change the login details. I come to profile, I'm going to come to edit profile if I want to change the login details. That is if you did not save your login details. So what you want to do is come here, and you can set a new password, and your username, you can always find your username here. All right, so you see that we fully installed a WordPress on a subdomain. Right now, you can start to build your site. You can get templates if you want to use from the WordPress repository. You can get a template from there, or you can get Divi. Divi is one of the most customizable WordPress templates. You can use to build anything, you can design anything, basically anything with WordPress. If you want to get that, the link is in the description below. You can get Divi at a discounted rate with the link below. All right, so if you like this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to get notification each time we release videos like this. Thank you.